Hello, trading and investing fanatics. Today is a pretty wild day. So it's after 12 midnight here in Poland Central Time, and we just closed. The market closed about 4 or 5 hours ago. Anyways, that's not the point of the video. The video is to show what a crazy day today. So it has been a while since we saw something like this. I think the last time we saw it was around September. We had the gap down on September 20th. But this one, the Russells are getting destroyed. This is like the craziest, not the craziest, but it's been a while since we've seen such a volatile drop from the small caps. So the small caps look pretty good until this happened. So, but it's still the bullish trend's still there. So if next week we can close above the 50-week moving average, then I would say we will probably see another run. If not, then I don't know. I think we're gonna come back down here, and that's not looking so good. Especially with the whole news was the new variant from South Africa, and then a couple of countries were stopping people from coming or going to travel to South Africa. So anyways, whatever the news is, the market tanked. So Bitcoin also tanked along with it. And now that we look at the weekly chart, I think there's a good chance that Bitcoin is going to come back and test the 52,000 area. We're kind of close to it. So we'll see what happens over the weekend. And let's go over Mara and HUT real quick, which are the mining companies that I own. And I know a lot of people also have this, who are watching this video probably also have the stocks that I hold. So Mara actually held okay. It held above the 50-day moving average. Now, if you look at the weekly chart, I think there's a good chance that Mara could potentially come back down to the $42, $43 area, which is the previous resistance areas. And I think there's gonna be some sort of bounce, or at least I hope there will be. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. Now, I don't know if next week we're going to hold this 50-day moving average. So I personally hedged the downside with a $45 covered call, which I think I don't know if we're going to gap down. So if we are, then, you know, I'm prepared for it. But, if next week suddenly we become bullish again and then we gap up or Bitcoin bounces or something, then I might consider releasing my hedge as long as we stay above the 50-day moving average. Otherwise, I'm also considering buying a put option to cover my $48 put because once Mara drops below $48, then my put is kind of in the money and I don't really want to be assigned. I really wanted the premium. So I'm okay with taking the premium loss if we drop further below. So I'm thinking about buying the $50 put to cover the cash secure put that I sold and mitigate my losses here. So that could be something I would do. I have to look at the price action next week or the week after to see what I will do with the cash secure put from Mara. Now HUT is doing pretty well. HUT actually closed at 12.25. So we go to HUT. So HUT closed a little bit above the 50-day moving average, and it's holding up, and it's only lost like 2.6%, 2.64. So it's pretty good. Now, on the upside, I don't need to worry about it because I have the position hedged pretty well. I have a $12 covered call, which I sold a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and I also have a put that I sold 2 weeks ago. And surprisingly, the put hasn't lost that much. I think it lost $43 so far, and the theta burn is really good. So the only way I will actually consider closing out the put position is if we actually fail and close below 1042 or maybe even less. And if you look at the weekly, though, the weekly 20-week moving average is coming up, so it could act as potential support, but there's also some support here. So I have to look at the price action and see how that is going to go if we do break down. But I'm telling you all these because of worst case scenarios, right? Like, I, I'm not saying this will happen, but this is the plan that I have if that were to happen. Because the upside, it will take care of itself. I'm not too worried. If it goes up, I don't have to do anything. It's only when it goes down I need to put in some more defensive positions to make sure that I'm okay. And so far, I actually sold the cash secure put for a small loss. I think this is a good place. It helped pretty well today too. So we'll see if we get a bounce. If we get a bounce, I don't know if I'll consider getting back in because I need to work on these two my mining positions, and I don't want to take on more risk for now. Otherwise, it was just like a normal market where we didn't have this much of a violent sell-off. I think I would probably get back in again if we close above, not close, but we get a higher high above 1862. So there's that for the account. I hope you guys had a great day. Well, it's not really a great day, I guess, when the market tanks like this, right? But it will be okay. Don't worry about it. So enjoy your day, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.